In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Google Drive workspace, a skill that's crucial for teamwork and collaboration in our digital era. Whether you're managing a project, sharing resources for a class, or just organizing family events, Google Drive makes it easier to keep everything in one place and accessible to those who need it. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Google Workspace. This is where all the magic begins. It's your central hub for accessing Google's suite of applications. Ensure that you're logged in with the correct Google account. This is the account where the drive you intend to share is located. Remember, the success of this entire process hinges on you being in the right account, so double check to avoid any confusion later on. After selecting the right account, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Security is a key feature of Google services, and this step ensures that only authorized users can make changes to your workspaces. Once you've entered your password, click on the Next button. This will take you directly into your Google Workspace dashboard. Here you can access all the tools and settings associated with your Google account. Next, you'll want to click the square dots icon, often called the waffle icon, located at the top right corner of your screen. This icon represents the app launcher and gives you quick access to all the available Google apps linked to your account. Now it's time to go a bit deeper into the administrative side of things. By entering the admin console, you can find the link to the admin console directly or search for it if you're navigating from the app launcher. The admin console is the control center for all Google Workspace services, allowing you to manage settings, users, and permissions. Within the admin console, click on Apps. This will bring up a list of all the Google Workspace apps that you have access to and can manage. From there, you'll need to select Google Workspace. This section houses all the core Google applications that your account has access to, such as Gmail, Drive, Docs, Sheets, and more. Once in the Google Workspace section, navigate to and click on Drive and Docs. This area pertains specifically to the settings and preferences for Google Drive and the associated document creation tools like Google Docs. Now for the main event managing shared drives. Look for the option labelled Manage Shared Drives, which will take you to a new page where you can see all the drives associated with your organization or personal account. Finally, you've reached the page where you can actually share your drive within your workspace. This option is vital for collaboration, allowing you to easily share documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and any other resources you've saved in Google Drive with your team or anyone else you're working with. Throughout this process, keep in mind that managing your shared drives effectively is key to maintaining organization and control over who has access to what. Google makes it relatively straightforward to adjust permissions and access settings, ensuring that you can always manage your digital workspace according to your needs. Congratulations! You now know the step-by-step process to share your Google Drive workspace, an invaluable skill for any project or organization. Remember, the power of Google Workspace lies in collaboration, and by mastering these steps, you've just unlocked a smoother, more cohesive way to work together with your team.